Hello, Professor. My name is Camila Rosa, and I will be continuing our presentation. So, a technique that I would use for this company is multiplex PCR, real-time PCR. As a food company, they must be careful with food safety, right? So, foodborne pathogenic bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria must be detected as soon as possible. So the multiplex PCR allows the detection in a single tub, saving time and reagents. Automation that they used is called LiDAR. It's like detection and range system. They used to get real-time information about the operation. One example that they use is to measure the size and weight of the beef. Here's a video and how it works. It's a high laser frequency with more than a million points, and the detector emits the pulse, and the pulse returns to the sensor and is doing it like a million times to create a real 3D map of the environment, so they can replicate the product in a 3D picture to recognize the pattern, the shape, and the weight. Some additional information about the company that I found interesting in the site is that the company wants to become the most sustainable company on Earth, in Earth. And last year they celebrated 1 year anniversary of carbon neutral company. They have 3 laboratories to guarantee the food safety. The company also invests in renewable energy, and they are leader in animal care, which is part of the company sustainability project. Thank you so much.